Hi Rockville Center students, it's Laura Collin from BOCES here to give you your helpful Google Classroom tip. And this video is going to be about editing files in slides that have been assigned to you through Classroom. So if your teacher gives you an assignment and in that assignment they gave you a copy of a slides file that they want you to work on, to add to or edit, then this is what you will do. The first thing you'll do is you're going to go to your Classroom app, and then from the Classroom app you're going to find the class where you have the assignment. For my purposes, I am going to go to my practice classroom because that's where I put most of my stuff. Now in here I like to go to classwork. You might see your assignment right up at the top in your stream, but I like to go to classwork. Then I'm going to tap on the assignment, and the one we're looking at today is this tools demo, editing a Google slide file assigned through Google Classroom. Now here are the instructions, just telling you that this assignment is going to be used as a demonstration. Now I don't see my slides file. It is down in the Your Work section. If the teacher gives you a copy of it for yourself, you're going to find it in the Your Work section. So I tap down here either on Your Work or that little arrow at the bottom, and now I'm going to see Your Work, the name of the file that has been given to you by your teacher. So this one says Laura Collin Slides Demo, and there is a little yellow icon that tells me that that is a slides file. If it were a red one that said PDF, then it would be a PDF file. If it were a blue one, that it could be a docs file. But for this purposes, we're looking at a slides file. I'm going to tap on that file. And then you will see in the upper right corner the tools that you can use. You see a pencil tool, but that is not the one you want for this, because that is what you're going to use to write with your finger. But what you need to do in this case is bring this into slides to edit it in there. Tap on the box with the arrow pointing out of it. And what it does, it pops it out of Google Classroom, brings it into Google Slides, and automatically opens it for you. Like magic. It brings it right into slides for you. Now, this is not a slides tutorial, but I'll just show you a couple of things in here. Where it says your title, I'm going to double tap on there to put it into an editing mode. I can either put my cursor at the end and delete everything, or I can double tap again, highlight everything, delete, and say slides, demo, my name, same thing. I'm double tap to get into that text box, and then I'm going to delete it, and I'm going to say Mrs. Oh, not Mars. Mrs. Collin. Then, on the left side, you will see your thumbnails. Right now, I'm on the title page. If I tap on number 2 over here, it's going to give me my second page. Then, I will double tap to add my text. What did I learn? Use the square icon with the arrow to pop out the file and bring it into slides. Now, if I need another idea, I hit my enter key, and then I would put another idea here. What else did I learn? Don't use the pencil icon if you want to edit in slides. There we go. Now, when we're done, the cool thing is Google Classroom, all Google apps save automatically. We don't have to do anything to save it. And if you look in the upper left corner, you'll see the word Classroom. And then what you'll do is you'll tap on Classroom. It will bring me back to Google Classroom. Then I can tap on the little X in the upper left corner. That will bring me back to my assignment. Okay? Now, if I go back into my slide, and then I go back to the square with the arrow, you will see all my edits have been saved. Isn't that lovely? Like magic. And then I'm going to tap Classroom again in the upper left corner to bring me back. Now, when you are done, you can always go back and edit more. I think you realize that with those last couple of steps. When you are done, you're going to tap Turn In. And then I tap Turn In again. And it's going to turn this in. This lets your teacher know that you're done. Your teacher can always see your work when he or she is logged into their Google Classroom. They will always be able to see your work, but you turning it in lets them know that you are finished. And another interesting thing is, if you're submitted and I go to open my file, and I go to the arrow to pop it out, and it brings it into slides, and I go to edit this, you see I can't edit it because it's turned in. I'm trying to type right now. I'm typing on my keyboard, but it won't let me. That's because I have it turned in. And that is how you work with slides files that have been given to you through Google Classroom. I hope this was helpful, and check out the other videos if you need some more tips.